everyone, you're watching BodyBuilder Car Spa. We are back again. My name is Paris and today we have this 2010 Audi. We're gonna clean this car in and out, including the tires. It needs a deep clean, and our customer really wanted to see this car like a brand new, so let's try and see. So stay tuned and keep watching. You want to see the back?
Wow. Really good. Very nice. A lot better than, you know what? Let me tell you. Looks good.
You have any final comments?
Looks really good.
All right.
Very
Thank
nice.
you. All right.